Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic English quiz. Let's play with fun. Instructions. Write down the answer on a notepad. No cheating. Questions will be flashcard for 45 seconds. Category section. Guess the picture. True or false? Multiple choice. Letter arrangement. Fill in the blanks. Part 1. Guess the picture. Start. One kind of berries with red color. This answer is strawberry. Part 2. True or false? Start. An elephant has a short nose and wide ears. Do you know what's the answer of this question? True or false? This answer is false. Part 3. Multiple choice. Start. He dash born in 2014. Option A is. Option B was. Option C did. Option D had. This answer is B option was. Part 4. Letter arrangement. Start. Clue. A person who puts out the fire. REFIFERHTIG. This answer is firefighter. Part 5. Fill in the blanks. Start. Clever is the dash of smart. This answer is synonym. Thank you. Let's have fun at another time. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.